everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you to Damnoen Sky Airplane Cafe in Damnoen สะดวก ราชบุรี Thailand. Let's go! We came here on a holiday, so it's quite crowded today. You can use your ticket to get a free drink and sushi. You can also enjoy a free train ride. The airplane is so big. The inside just like a real airplane. There are airplane seats, beautiful decorations, and lots of photo spots. It's just a fun place to visit. Outside, there are lots of fun activities for kids, like a ball pit, a mini train ride, dinosaur ride, sandcastles, and paddleboard. The atmosphere here is relaxing. It's a perfect place to spend time with family or friends. If you love taking photos, you will really enjoy this cafe. I had a great time at Damnoen Sky Airplane Cafe today. If you were visiting Rashaburi, don't miss this place. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!